Hi everybody, Miss Callan with Ship here, and we're going to do another healthy snack today. This one's going to have lots of veggies. It's a fun one, it's Veggie Kabobs. So we've got all these different veggie options, and of course, Veggie Kabobs has the vegetable food group. We can also put in a cheese stick or another kind of cheese that we could cube. And this will add a different food group, which would be, what do you think? Dairy, yeah. So we get two food groups, which makes this a nice healthy snack. What else do we need to make this snack? We need a plastic knife that can cut soft veggies, and maybe some help with someone to help us cut the harder veggies with a different knife. And then, if you have it, you can use a skewer. A skewer is a stick that is usually metal or wood, and you can poke the veggies onto it. Or you could just line the veggies up on a plate, so you don't necessarily need the skewer. The first thing we have to do is wash our hands. So we're going to get our hands wet, grab soap, suds up, and wash for the time it takes to sing happy birthday twice. Get in between your fingers, get on your fingernails, wash and wash and wash, and then rinse. Okay. Now the second thing we have to do is wash our fruits and vegetables. Get everything nice and clean and ready to cook. Okay, so let's get started. So what we need to do here is take our knife and chop our veggies into nice little chunks that will fit right onto a skewer. So I've got a radish. This is a French breakfast radish. I'm going to cut a couple of little rounds of radish here. Okay. Radish. And I've got some string beans. These are 3 different colors of string beans. Look at that, purple, yellow, and green. Isn't that fun? I bet you can think of a lot of different veggies that you could use for skewers. This is celery. I've got some celery chunks. Okay. And I've got some pepper here. So we can cut some green pepper if you like that. We've got some cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are really fun. We don't even have to cut them. They'll just go right on. Look at all the different colors of cherry tomatoes that there are. Did you know that there are yellow cherry tomatoes and they're ripe and good? And then there's these purple ones, which are really yummy. And nice little red ones. Lots of different colors of cherry tomatoes. And I brought some olives too. Okay, so then we need to cut our cheese, if you're using cheese. You could use chunks of cheddar cheese too. This is a cheese stick, which makes it easy. It's nice and soft. Okay. And then comes the fun part. We get to make the kebab. So we could decide to put these veggies on any which way, doesn't matter. We could also maybe do a pattern. So what if we were to do a pattern? So what if we were to do green pepper and then a celery and then a radish and then a tomato, a string bean. Okay, string beans are kind of hard. And then a cheese and then an olive. Aha! And then we could just repeat and start over. So another pepper. And like that, we could keep going. What are some other veggies we could use? I'm thinking about cucumbers or zucchini, but I bet there are a lot of other choices, right? And if you want, you can have this with hummus or salad dressing for a dip. Right? So now if you added hummus, you're going to be adding a different food group. I wonder which one it is. Hummus is made out of chickpeas, and chickpeas are a bean, a legume. So they fall under, they're a dry bean, not a green bean, a dry bean. So they fall under protein. Yep. So now we've added another food group, and this would be an even more healthy and filling snack. And what about salad dressing though? That's interesting. I wonder what food group that could be in. Well, it's actually a bit of a sometimes food because we have just a little teeny bit of it and it's filled with oil and salt. So it's kind of like a salty treat food. It doesn't really go into a My Plate food group, does it? What if you don't have a skewer? You can still make this snack. You can just make a pattern of vegetables around a plate. And another way you can arrange the vegetables is in a rainbow of the colors. That might be a little bit more challenging, but we do have a purple bean and a pink radish, right? Great. So now you can go ahead and take some time away from your screen, right? And have a healthy snack. Maybe you want to try this now if you've got some veggies around, or you could try this another day too. See you next time, guys. Bye.